Brimming morning. Today the session is powered by Mrs. Lata Prasad. Already we learned tenses. So today we are going to learn a fresh lesson, that is active and passive voice. So it's very useful for higher classes, then competitive exams, PSC, Public Service Commission exams, all will be very important. So let us go through this. First of all, what is active voice? From childhood we are learning this. From childhood we have been learning this. Okay? Active voice means that a sentence has a subject that act upon its verb. Means what? In short, the subject denoted by the person does something in active voice. See example, mother cooks food. Mother is the subject, cooks is the verb, and food is the object. What does mother do? Cooks food. So this is object. So in short we can say telling part is the subject and doing part is the object. Then what is passive voice? Passive voice means that a subject is a recipient of the verb's action. In short, the subject denoted by the person has done something in passive voice. See here does something in active voice and here has done something in passive voice. And for example, food is cooked by mother. So here in active voice, mother is the subject and food is the object. And here while making passive voice, the object will come to subject place and subject will go to object place. So what are the rules we have to follow? First of all, never change the tense. If it is in present tense or simple present tense, we have to make passive voice in simple present tense only. If it is past tense only we have to make. No changes must be made in that. Second rule, verb always will be in V3 form. Then subject in active voice, subject and object must be. And in passive voice, that subject will come to object place and object will come to subject place. Okay? Hence, before we could go in depth active and passive voice, let us have a glance on transitive and intransitive verbs. See, what is transitive verb? The action done by the subject which pass through the object properly or not. If it pass through, it will have its own object. In other words, a verb is transitive when it has its own object. Then what we must have done? Must have its own object. He ate a fruit because already the object is there. Fruit was eaten by him. So while we are checking the sentence, what we have to do? We have to ask a question to the subject by using what. So while doing like that, if we get proper answer or proper object, that is transitive. If not, no answer. If not, no object, it's not transitive. Intransitive verb will be. So only transitive sentence can make passive voice. Intransitive we can't make because no object. For example, the driver stopped the bus. So here we are asking a question to the driver. Subject, we are asking a question. What does the driver stop? The bus. So that is transitive. Bus is the object. The bus stops. We are asking a question. What does the bus stop? Do we get any answer for that? Doesn't get any answer. So that is intransitive because there is no object. Understood? Are you following me? Then transitive and intransitive, I have given two examples. He ate much food. What did he eat? Much food. We asked a question to the subject by using what? The donkey kicks the boy. What does the donkey do? The donkey kicks the boy. There we are getting proper object. So that is transitive. Then look here. Look, these sentences. He ate much, but this donkey never kicks. Both the sentence having got objects. So we can't make passive voice. So in transitive verbs, we can't make passive voice. So this all you might be knowing. From childhood, you have been learning all these things. So just reminding you all. Okay? Okay, fine. Let us start with simple present tense. In simple present tense, how can we make sentence from active voice to passive voice? First one, am is added to the verb. I forgot to remind you, I'm sorry. In simple present tense, if we say, what are the verbs must come to our mind? Is, are. These three must be remembered. Okay. So first one, am is added to the verb. In passive voice, where all we are adding am. He helps me. I am helped by him. Then her words pain me. So here what? This object came to subject and the subject goes to object. Okay? Her words pain me. I am pained with her words. With her words. They call me. I am called by them. I am called by them. Here all what you have observed. What you have observed. See, am. We have used here am. Here in passive voice, we have used am. Am we have added here as verb. Then let us go through. Is added to the verb. Is added to the verb. They beat him. He is beaten by them. The police catch the thief. The thief is caught by the police. The cat kills the mouse. The mouse is killed by the cat. Then the cow gives milk. Milk is given by the cow. So here all what you have observed. This is from this side. This side let us see. Am how we used. Added to the verb. Am we have added to the verb. And here you have observed is. Here am. Here both are simple present tense only, but only verb here we have taken here am and there we have taken is. And then one more category is there are. Let us go through that. Okay. So the third category, are is added to the verb. Is added to the verb over. Am added to the verb over. Are is added to the verb. See, let us go through the example. The elephant eats the branches of a tree. The branches of a tree are eaten by the elephant. Eaten by the elephant. He calls them. They are called by him. The dog bites us. We are bitten by the dog. We are bitten by the dog. So, here are. So, what are the changes we made in the sentence? You can go through. Okay? Okay, fine. Now, present continuous. When we speak present continuous, immediately the verb forms must come to our mind: is, are plus ing. Here, whenever we are making present continuous tense from active to passive, we have to use being. Being must be added. So, being is added to the verb. The boy is making the castles. The castles are being made by the boy. See here, this is changed into are because subject went to object place and object came to subject place. They are copying the exercise. The exercise is being copied by them. Here what happened? These are changed into is. Okay? Now present perfect. If you speak about present perfect, what must come to your mind? Have or has plus V3 form must come to your mind. Have or has plus V3 form. So, while changing active to passive voice in present perfect tense, you have to use been. You have to use been. So, been is added to the verb. Sweetie has plucked the flowers. The flowers have been plucked by Sweetie. Plucked by Sweetie. They have opened an exhibition. An exhibition has been opened by them. Here also see why we used here have, because plural. Here they have opened an exhibition. An exhibition has been opened by them. Without agent, without by agent also we can write an exhibition has been opened also we can write. Without agent also we can write that. The flowers have been plucked by Sweetie. Here see has changed into have. Here have changed into has. Okay? Okay, it's fine. We have completed simple present, present continuous, present perfect. How will make active from active to passive we have completed. Now a single sentence, how I will fill up all the columns, you just see. Hen gives egg. Why we use gives egg because third person singular. Hen gives egg. Here hen is giving egg. Present perfect. Hen has given egg. Present perfect continuous. Hen has been giving egg. Okay, fine, right? Are you following me? The single sentence I am making all the forms, and out of that form I am making passive voice also from this single sentence. You can also try like that. Hen gives egg. Hen is giving eggs. Hen has given eggs. Hen has been giving eggs. Now we are making into passive voice from active voice. Egg is given by hen. Then present continuous, what we have to do? We have to use being we have to use. Egg is being given by hen. Here what we have to use? Has been or have been we have to use. Egg has been given by hen. Here no passive voice. Present perfect or past perfect. Present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous, and future continuous also will never have passive forms. Okay, so here only this sentence I have taken. Hen gives egg. From that single sentence I have made all the tense forms from active to passive. This is a very good and easy method to learn active to passive. So from these immediately we can trace out here what all the things we used. Here is we used. Here what we used. Is plus being we used. Here what we used. Has, here has it is given. Here has been we used. Okay, for this no passive voice. So whenever you are learning or practicing active to passive voice, kindly go through this pattern. After learning all these things, take one sentence and go for all the example like this. Out of one sentence, you have to make all the example like this and make perfect with that. Okay? Understood? Hence, like, share and subscribe the video by hitting the bell icon which is given below. And try to love English, learn English and live in English. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Fantastic day.